gonna put a worm on your line. That one?
Yeah.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, geese. That fish. Right there. You hold that now.
I'll go by my dad.
Okay, hold it. There's a fish jumping way out there. Good job. Oh, something was getting it. Keep going.
I got Ricky.
Oh, little fish. Hey, where'd he go? He's swimming around there. Should we try to catch another one? You want that?
No.
Ew.
Ew.
Good job. You're getting good at that. Any worm? Oh, we gotta put another one on. Say that fish stole my worm.
Muppy.
What are you doing?
Why? Make that older. Dawa. Wow.
What'd you find?
Wow.
Flowers.
There you go, Daddy.
Oh, thank you. Push it down a little bit. There we go. Thank you. Dandelion.
Wow. Baby, wow. Oh, yeah. Viva boy. Boy. I say over there. I see. Whoa. Oh, what I do it.
Yeah, Mason? Oh, where are you going? Fine, another flower?
Mama.
Ooh, a dandelion. Does it smell good?
Yeah.
I'm gonna wipe it on my nose. I used to wipe them on my hands, they get yellow. Wanna try it?
Yeah. Oh no.
You didn't go in that puddle.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, you're gonna get all wet, Mason. You're gonna get all wet. I'll try mine quick. Well, Mason. My hand. Ready?
Yeah.
What color is that?
I know.
Should I do it to you?
Yeah. What's that?
I'll smell it. Oh, yeah. Mommy's gonna be like, what the heck? Are you laying down right now? You're crazy. You wanna lead the way? I'll follow you. I'm not gonna follow you down there though. Mason, I see another big puddle down here.
Wow.
Look at those muddy footprints. Yeah. What is that? Bet.
I'm a deep.
He's laying on the ground.
Oh no!
Oh, should I put it on?
Ah.
Weight on it. Oh, bring it here.
Mama.
Bring it here, Mason. I'll fix it.
Deep.
Here, Mason. Bring it here.
Deep.
Are you saying cheese?
I like deep. Deep. Mango. Oh no, Emma!
Yeah.
Bitty, me alright.
Look.
Bitty,
Look, he's going blip. Whoa. Whoa. Hop. Get in there. Should we do another one?
yeah,
Is it funny?
yeah.
Here we go. Ready?
Yeah,
These are
yeah.
easy to catch.
Eee.
No, it's not like this. See?
Okay.
You want to put your hand out?
No.
You want to pet him?
Me.
You want to kiss him? Yeah. You want to give him a kiss? Oh, should we throw him back or you want to do it? Say bye-bye, fish.
Bye-bye. Yeah, I'll bye.
Should we catch another one?